Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So, before I start the vlog, let me have a seat. So, I had a vlog that I did last week, and for some reason, the the music was on, but my voice wasn't there. But I'm not deleting the video because it's like I worked too hard on this video, and I just want you to see like how you guys take care of your skin. So I'm gonna do a hair tutorial. I'm gonna try on this beautiful wig. Okay, so let me see what I can do in the meantime, and then try on this wig. So give me 2 seconds. Get something. Okay. So I'm gonna try on this wig. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do it with the hair I have on my head. Okay, this will be better if this wasn't on my head. So I'm just gonna try it on and show y'all. Okay. So this is how the hair itself looks, and this comes with a little bonnet style with it. And you can just click it on, and this is how the hair looks. You can actually wear a different one, but when this hair on my head come off, it look way nicer. So this is how the hair itself looks. It's very curly. I could show you the back. Okay. Hold on. I don't know if y'all could see the back of my head. So this is how the back looks. Let me know if y'all can hear me because this audio will cut off and I don't know what to do, but this is how the hair itself looks. You can put like a different bonnet on, um, but this is what it looks like. Um, like for example, like I have this white one. So let's say you want to put on your hair, you can actually do that by doing this. Just give me a second, and then I'll do the same on this. And this wig, I will tell you where I got this wig. I got this wig, my favorite store, named Shein. And, and fix this pretzel. But yeah, this is what the wig itself looks like. My hair is on my head, so it might look a little bumpy, but this is what it looks like. It looks very cute, very stylish. You can style this wig anyhow. See, my braids are sticking out. My hair's braids are sticking out. But this is what the hair itself looks like. I really love curly stuff. Like curly, curly, curly. Everything is so curly. It's so nice. Which is very, very cute. You can even dress up with this wig. You can style yourself with this wig. We can even take some cool pics. I actually took some pictures. Let me show you guys. Let me see if they're on my phone. Um, yeah. So I was trying on some pictures when I had the wig on, but when I take off the braids, it look way better on me. This was took on Friday, and I got this wig um Friday, which is very, very cute. Had to spin. I look so nice. I love this wig. I give this a 10 out of 10. And yeah, you can You can style this anyhow you want to style it, you know. But yeah, um, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you get something out of this, I hope you did. Like I said, guys, I'm doing this vlog because I want to see why this audios keep on cutting out. So I want to I'm trying to use this more often to see if I can get this audio working. And of course, most of the time when I do film, it's like I'm talking, but it goes backwards. So I don't know why it does that. But but yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. This is my hair tutorial. My braids are kind of in it. So, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Comment down below if you guys like this type of wig. If you guys want the name of the wig, I can find the name of the wig. The name of the wig is KINKY, curly human hair and natural. Okay, so I will put that in the description. So if you guys wanna have this type of hairstyle, could, you know. But other than that, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you get something out of this, I hope you did. And you know, today's a special day. Before I end this vlog, I want to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers. If everybody's celebrating Father's Day with their fathers, I hope you guys enjoy. And even though last month was Mother's Day, I hope everybody enjoy celebrating Mother's Day as well. Because, you know, we got to celebrate every single holiday. And guys, I want to show you, I'm still working on my last art. Still got a long way to go. Wanted to show you in the vlog. Just so you guys, let you guys know I'm doing that. Okay. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. If you're new, hello, my name's Lashana. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know, like, if you guys like these type of vlogs, and if you like them, let me know. I posted 2 videos, one today and I have a short video, so go check those out. There's one tomorrow and there's one Wednesday, so go check those vlogs out. And I'll probably post this next week, so you guys can get a chance to watch this one. Okay, but I'm gonna end this vlog right here, and I hope you guys love my videos, and I hope my vlogs are helping you guys and inspiring you guys. Just be yourself, love yourself, because this is what we're here for. We're not here to be mean to each other, and let's celebrate. I love to spin. Okay, but bye, and follow me on my social media. See you soon.